Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about the first lesson of your science subject, that is food. Where does it come from? Okay, in the previous video class we studied the concept, that is food for the plants here. Yes, we studied about the fruits, vegetables and fiber in a food. Yes, some of the fruit vegetables we learned, stem vegetables, root vegetables and the leaf vegetables. These all things we studied in the previous video class. And about fruits also we learned. Yes, fruits plays a very significant role in our life. We have to consume different kinds of food in our day-to-day life. So dear students, today's concept here is sources of food from animals. Okay, till now we learned from plants which sources of food we were getting. Today from animals which sources of food we are getting, that we are going to study now. So sources of food from animals. From the animals which source of food we are getting. As we learned sources of food from plants. Yes, do you all remember sources of food from plants we learned, like the stem, roots, seeds. Okay, these all we learned from the sources of food from plants. Okay, today we are going to study about the sources of food from animals. Okay, the first one is the meat. The next we are getting milk also from animals, and next we are getting the eggs and honey. These are the some of the sources of food from which we are getting from the animals we are getting. From the animals, which source of food we are getting? Meat, milk, eggs and honey we are getting from the source of from the animals we are getting these as a source of food. Okay, first one we study about the meat. Yes, dear students, you all know what is the meat. This meat we are getting from animals. Okay, this meat from where we are getting? From the animals we are getting. Flesh of the some animals. Yes, flesh is nothing but the outer skin. Correct? The outer skin of the animals we are considering it as a meat. Nothing but flesh we are calling. Flesh of what? Flesh of some animals is eaten as a food. As you all know, some of you also will be consuming. Yes, the meat you all will be eating. Flesh of the some animals is considered as a food, and this flesh of some animals is considered as a meat here. Okay, and meat. Okay, from which animals we are getting these meats? Like a poultry, birds, sheep and goat, we are getting the meat. Okay, from which animals we are getting meat? From poultry, birds, the next one sheep and goat. From these animals we are getting what? We are getting a meat here. Next, again some of the even the sea creatures. Sea creatures here is nothing but the animals which will live in a sea. Okay, the animals which are living in a sea, nothing for them we are calling it as the sea creatures. Okay, from the sea creatures also we are getting some of the meat. Yes, can you all guess? Fish. Yes, fish will live in a sea. As you all know, it will live in a sea. Okay, even fish we are considering it as a meat here. So fish will come under where? Will come under sea creatures. So even the prawns. Yes, dear students, you have heard the animal name, that is a prawn. Prawn is one creature which will live in a sea here. So prawns, then shellfish, and even the crabs also. Yes, you heard the word crab. Crab also is one kind of a meat here, and that crab we are getting in a sea creature. In the sea we are finding it. So this is all about the meat here. Meat is one of the source of food that we are getting from animals. So if you want to write about a meat in a simple sentence, you can explain about meat here. What is a meat? Meat is the flesh of some animals. It is the flesh of some animals here. So, and from which animals we are getting meat? Like a poultry, birds, sheep and goat, and some sea creatures like a shellfish, and from the crabs and even from the prawns also we are getting a meat. This is all about the meat. Meat is one kind of what it is? Source of food from animals we are getting. The next source here is milk. Yes, dear students, in your day-to-day life, in the morning you will be having the milk. Milk is used even for the drinking purpose, and even from the milk we are getting the dairy products also. From the milk, even they are processing what? They are processing the what here? Dairy products here. So, and milk is very rich in calcium. As you all know that milk plays a very important role in our body. In a milk there is a calcium is present. Well, that calcium is very necessary for our body here. Okay, if there is a less amount of calcium in our body, then what happens? Then our teeth, okay, teeth problems will start. So for the teeth purpose, we require a proper amount of calcium in our body. That calcium from where we are getting? That calcium we are getting again from a milk here. So what is the milk here? Milk we are even it is considered as for drinking purpose also. Even to process the dairy products also milk is considered. So here milk is a source of a food. Yes, in our day-to-day life it is one part of a food. Yes, in the morning as you will be, first step is you have to drink the milk after brushing your teeth. Okay, what you will do? You will drink a milk. So it is one source of a food. It is. What is the milk? Milk is a source of a food here. Yes, dear students. Then from where does it come milk? From which animals we are getting the milk here? Yes, let's see here. From the sheep it may be, camel, goat, buffaloes, cows, and these all the animals they will provide us milk here. Which animals will provide us the milk? Goat, sheep, camel, buffalo, and cows will provide us the milk. Then which animals provide us the meat? Yes, which animals will provide us the meat? Okay, poultry, goat, sheep, goat, and some sea creatures like a prawn, shellfish, and the crabs. These all will provide us the meat here. In the same manner, we are getting the meat from sheep, milk from sheep, camel, goat, buffalo, cow. These all the animals will provide us what? These all animals will provide us milk here. Okay, the next here is milk. Then for what purpose the milk is used? For drinking purpose and even for the dairy products. To make any dairy products we are using the milk here. What we are using? We are using milk. Uses of a milk. Milk is used for drinking purpose and even to process the dairy products. To process the dairy products we are using what? We are using the milk here. Dairy products. Then which are the dairy products? Can you name some dairy products? Yes, here I will tell you some of the dairy products. Yes, cheese. Yes, dear students, which you all like very much. Yes, cheese is one of the dairy product. Butter. Yes, butter is also made from milk here. So dairy products are nothing but here cheese, butter. These are only dairy products because these all are prepared from milk here. So we are calling it as a dairy products. As I have already told that milk is very rich in calcium. Milk is very rich in calcium. You have to remember in the fill in the blanks the question may be asked here. Yes, milk is rich in calcium. Okay, the next source of a food that we are getting from an animal here is eggs. Yes, eggs. Can you have you seen the eggs? Yes, some of the animals they will lay the eggs here. And those eggs are very rich in nutrients, some of the nutrients like proteins and vitamins. Eggs are rich in proteins and vitamins. So we have to consume egg in our day-to-day life. Okay, you have to maintain in your regular diet. What you have to maintain? Eggs we have to consume because it is very rich in proteins and vitamins. So as you all know that eggs are what? Eggs are laid by some of the animals. Okay, and they are very rich in nutrients such as what here? Proteins and vitamins. The next source of food here is honey. Yes, did you all heard the word honey? Yes, honey is one of the source of food from animals we are getting. This honey we are getting from a bees here. Yes, from the bees we are getting honey. What the bees will do? They will collect the nectar from a flower here. The first step what they will do? The bees will collect the nectar from flower here. Okay. Then what they will do? They will store that whatever the nectar they have collected from the flower, they will store it in honey hives. Okay. They will make one hive like a shelter. Okay. Like a one home. Okay. Honey bees you have seen. Okay. Yes, we have seen the honey bees. Honey bees will be in this manner. Okay. They will store. Here they will store the honey here. In this hive, it will store its what here? It will store the honey here. So first what it will do? The bees will collect the nectar from where? From the flower. It will collect the nectar. Then it will store in the hives. Okay, the hive will be like this. It is a hive. It will store in its hive. The next what we do? This honey. Okay, then honey is it is considered as a bee hives. From where we are getting honey? From the bee hives it is called. This bee hives is consisting what? Here honey it is consisting. From the bee hives we are getting the honey here. And this honey is a rich source of carbohydrates. Okay, as you all know that carbohydrate is one of the nutrients. As you have learned in your previous classes that there are 7 essential nutrients are there. Yes, carbohydrates is one of the essential nutrient. Okay, so this honey is rich source of what? Carbohydrates. As I have told, yes, eggs are rich source of what? Here, proteins and vitamins. These proteins and vitamins are also some of the nutrients. Okay, dear students, here today we learned about the meat, milk, egg and honey. These are what? Meat, milk, eggs and honey are sources of food from animals we are getting. Okay. Next, we will see about the one definition here, that is the milk animal. We will see one definition now. Here is one definition is it. What are milk animals? Milk animals. Yes, dear students, can you guess what are milk animals? Yes, these are the animals that we use as the animals that we use as source of milk. Source of milk are called milk animals. This is one of the important definition. Yes, the question may ask, what are milk animals? Animals that we use as a source of milk. Yes, dear students, which are the animals we are using a source of milk here? As I have told you, goat and cows, buffaloes. Okay, again we said camels. Okay, these are the sources of milk. Okay, if you want milk, from which animals we are getting? From these animals we are getting the milk. Okay, remember, from goat, cows, buffaloes and camels we are getting the milk. Then what are milk animals? The animals, okay, remember, the animals that we use as a source of milk. What we are doing? We are using it as a source of milk. Which are the sources of milk here? Sources of milk are nothing but goat, cows, buffaloes and camels are the sources of milk here. So animals that we use as a source of milk are called milk animals. Dear students, this is one of the very important definition. Go through this definition and remember. And here the question may arise, the long question may come here. Today whatever we studied, is what we studied? Sources of food from animals. Explain about the source of food that we get from animals. The question may arise here. So you should be able to write about meat, milk, then honey and eggs. Okay, these all the things you should be able to write. So I hope you have understood this concept. Now it's the time for the homework. Some of the homework I will give you. You have to write it in your rough book and you have to send it to my WhatsApp number. Here is the first question. So what is the first question? Define milk animals. The next question here here is, I will give some questions. You write in your rough book and have to send me. The next question is, name the animals that provide us meat. You have to name some animals. Name the animals that provide us meat. As I have told in this video class, that provide us meat. You have to name some of the animals name which will give us a meat. Okay. Next question is, name the animals from which we get a milk. Name the animals from which we get milk. You have to name some animals name. Okay. Okay, we have from which we are getting the milk here. The fourth question here is, related to the, okay, eggs are which source of, some of the fill in the blanks I will give. Eggs are which source of nutrients. Yes, as I have told, some of the nutrients. Eggs are rich source of nutrients such as dash and dash. Dash and dash. Okay. Next, fifth one is milk is rich in dash. Milk is rich in calcium. And eggs are rich source of nutrients like what here? They are vitamins and proteins. Okay, these all we studied today in this proteins and vitamins here. Okay, and one more question. Honey is rich in carbohydrate. This also you write it down. Honey is rich in what? Rich in what? Honey is rich in a carbohydrate. Milk is rich in a calcium. And eggs are rich source of nutrients such as proteins and vitamins. And we can name the here animals from which we are getting meat and from which we are getting a milk. And which animals also I taught you. Dear students, in the next video class we will study about the Indian food. Till that, watch this video, do the homework and have habit of reading the lesson. In a science, it is very important you have to read the lesson. How much I will be teaching you have to read, that is the lesson also. It is very important, and make the important points, mark the important points in your textbook. Okay, till that, have a nice day. Thank you.